Hi there and welcome back to Birdseed. In this video, we're going to talk about the manage event types in the settings of your Birdseed dashboard. So here I am in the panel settings inside of my dashboard and I'm in manage event types. Now this is where you can control the types of events people can schedule for in the schedule meeting tool. And we talked about this briefly in the actual tool video, but this is going to be a little more in depth on how to set those up. So we have our event types here. Right now I have a short session for quick questions and a total software demonstration. This is for the actual Birdseed sales website, and I can actually open these up and edit the settings on those, but I'm going to create a new event type. So I'll go to new event type and I'm going to type in test event, and this is a test event for the tutorial video, and I'll hit save. Now we have test event here. And if I want to edit this, I can hit the drop down arrow like anything else, and I can come down, see the title, see the text that I have put inside, and then I can configure my available hours. So for this specific test event, I want to have the hours of, let's say, always available for all of these days. And maybe just for Friday, we'll put specific hours from 9 to 1, right? Like so. And then I'll go ahead and keep Saturday and Sunday off limits. And then below that, I can see my schedule settings. So I can do a number of appointments per time slot. So if you're doing like a one-on-one meeting type of deal, you want to take that off the clock once someone schedules. You don't want someone to double schedule or double book. You can put one appointment per slot, or I can do unlimited appointments per slot. So if it's like a big group registration or things like that where there's no limit per time slot, you can do that as well. I'm going to do one appointment per time slot, and we'll do an hour. And you can include a schedule buffer if you want, just to give it some time between or not, but I'm not going to. And below that, we have the ability to manage our form fields. So this will ask for first and last name, company name, phone, and email. Or you can, change these, add a different field if you wanted to add a new field. It's going to be the same fields as anything else inside of Birdseed with your checkbox, picks list, name, email, phone, text, whatever you really want there. And of course, you can make this required if you want and change the label, which is what will actually display to the viewer when they fill out the field. Below that, we have the calendar event. So this is what we'll actually schedule on your calendar when you connect your calendar. If you go to manage calendar, you can connect your Google Calendar here, and this will show on your calendar when someone books a time with you, which is pretty cool. If you connect that properly in the manage calendar, it's really easy. Just go to manage calendar and you just connect your Google account. But then we can see how it will show up, and also a confirmation email. So this will send a confirmation email to the user after scheduling an event. So it'll say schedule confirmation. This email is confirming your meeting, which has been scheduled for this time. Please reply to this if you need to cancel or change. You can change this message. This right here, the meeting time, is what's going to actually pull the meeting time they scheduled from the scheduling and put it in the email. So this goes to the actual visitor of your website when they schedule a time with you. And you can turn that on or off and change the subject and the information like that. And then again, you can choose what calendar you want this to be assigned to. Right now we have it Drew's calendar at Birdseed here, and that will actually schedule on his. But I'm going to go ahead and turn off the calendar for this one. I'll just put it on personal, and then we'll hit save. Right? So now I have a new event. And if I actually go over to Birdseed, if I go to birdseed.io, and if I go in to my calendar scheduling, so let's go ahead and I think it's learn more about us. Where was it at inside of here? Schedule custom demo, and look at this test event. So now I see I have these other two, but I have test event, and I can choose maybe Thursday at 10. Put my information in here, confirm, and before you know it, I will have a scheduled meeting ready to go. So that is how you can actually create your different event types. I'm going to delete this one because I don't want to keep that. You can manage them here, control them here, and then create your actual tool in the customized tools with the schedule meeting. And that's a whole other video, so watch that one if you haven't yet. And let us know if you have questions. We'll be happy to help you out. Thanks.